going to show you the components that make up this measuring system. The name is going to be the quick cut or the miter measure or something similar to that. Basically what this does is it removes the need at the chop saw to measure, mark with a pencil, and then also use your square to square up where you're going to cut the individual measurements. So what we have here basically is we have indexed our measuring system. We're going to have a standard gauge, so consider this something metal, but for right now I'm just showing you it's a gauge right now that is used to basically establish our mark on where we're going to measure any future boards that we cut. So right now we're 16 inches from the saw. If I look over here and I look at my gauge, if you look at the black lines, I'm reading from the far left, 16 inches is measured basically on the far left mark right there. So from here on out, everything I want to cut is going to be referenced from that left mark. Basically, we have a slide mechanism. As you can see, this is going to be indexing our tape measure. And so this is going to roll back, and for intents and purposes, you'll kind of see that it has tension coming back. So if George lets go of that, it's going to come back, and basically it's trying to index on that 16 inches. So again, in theory, it's going to index right where I said. We'll show you how that operates here in just a second. All right, so I've set my gauge. I'm at 16 inches where my mark is, and I establish that by simply moving my tape measure again to my 16 inches. So I've indexed to 16. Clip that down, and now I'm basically ready to measure. Okay? So if I need a board that's going to be at 24 inches, the only thing that I have to do then is basically put my board in. I need to find 24 inches. And if I come back and take a quick measurement of this, this should be 24 inches. And as you can see, I'm right at 24 inches. So this is probably the most accurate that we can get in terms of measuring a board to get exactly. There's no pencil marks, there's no marking.